Let's take a look at labor relations in public organizations. Collective bargaining is a formalized process of negotiation between management and labor. It involves specific steps aimed at reaching an agreement on terms and conditions of employment covering an agreed upon period of time. Since the late 1950s, collective bargaining procedures have replaced traditional management oriented personnel tactics in many jurisdictions and at all levels of government. As a result, there have been frequent and significant shifts in effective decision making authority on personnel matters. There's also changes in the distribution of political and policy influence, and, on occasion, very visible implications for the delivery of the most essential public service. The term labor management relations provides a framework for collective bargaining and suggests something quite specific about the kinds of interactions that take place between managers and their employees. At the very least, it implies that employees have consciously chosen to organize themselves for the purpose of dealing with their supervisors concerning terms and conditions of employment. Beyond that, in both public and private sectors, it suggests a basic reordering of the power to determine distribution of responsibility, levels of compensation, conditions in the workplace, and the like. This description could apply equally to industrial and governmental labor management relations. It would be a mistake, however, to overlook significant differences that exist between the two settings. The term multilateral, many-sided bargaining is increasingly used in the public sector, reflecting involvement of many others besides management in labor bargaining teams. Multilateral bargaining is a public sector collective bargaining negotiation that includes the broadest number of affected public employee and other groups. Bilateral bargaining is collective bargaining negotiations in which only management and labor are represented. Collective bargaining as a process is fairly recent as a significant element in public employer labor relations. In fact, only since the 1960s has collective bargaining played an important role in public personnel administration. Strikes are by far the most widely reported, visible, and controversial of all varied aspects of public sector labor management relations. However, most labor management interactions, including most collective bargaining processes, rarely result in strikes by public employees. Although feelings often run high regarding strikes, it's only one component of the total topic.